Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I welcome you all in today's English class 7th summary video. Now it's on page 8. Last time we did exercise A. Today we did exercise B and C. Now exercise B was your comprehension, and what it says, complete each sentence with 2 facts from Antarctica and the South Pole. Now this unit, as you remember, we read in the very start, and they have given you some of the facts, and with the help of these facts you have to complete these 5 sentences, right? Now I'll be reading these facts. The first one is last 6 months, then is in Antarctica. The third one is 40 kilometers from the coast. The fourth is 4 kilometers long. The fifth is covered in ice, has 2 seasons, then a huge continent, then is always dark. Second last is currency, and the last one is native people. Now these are all the facts, and what we have to do, we have to complete the sentences that are given here using these facts, right? Now the first one is Antarctica has no. Okay, Antarctica has no. The first fact is Antarctica has no currency, and the second fact is Antarctica has no native people as well. Now you will write it like this. Move towards the second one, the South Pole. The fact about South Pole, the first fact is the South Pole is in Antarctica, and the second fact is the South Pole has 2 seasons. These are the 2 facts about the South Pole. Then a South Pole winter. Okay, how is the winter like in South Pole? A South Pole winter is always dark. This is the first fact. And the second fact is a South Pole winter lasts 6 months, right? Then Wilkins runway is. Okay, the first fact is about Wilkins runway, that it is 4 kilometers long, and the second fact is it is 40 kilometers from the coast. Then the last one is Antarctica is. Okay, the first fact is that Antarctica is a huge continent, and the second fact about Antarctica is that it is covered with ice. Now this was all about exercise B. You have to do it this way. You will write on the books. Then the next one is exercise C. We have grammar. Okay, rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stops. I hope you remember about the capital letters and the full stops, how we use it in sentences. Now the first one is, I hope that the World Cup is on TV. First, we start with the capital letter, and here we are having first person pronoun. It is always written with capital when it stands alone. So how we will write it? I hope that the, okay, World Cup, here we are talking about specific thing. So World W and Cup C both will be capitalized, and it will be written like this, World Cup. Then is on. Okay, TV, it's an abbreviation. If you remember, I taught you the exercise related to abbreviations, that how we abbreviate, when we abbreviate the words, we write in capital, always capital. So TV will be written like this, T with capital, dot, and V also capital, and here the sentence is completed. So again you will put a full stop at the end. The second one is the President of USA spoke. Okay, start of the sentence, the, T capital, President, official, title is given to a person. So here President P will be again capital, of USA again abbreviation, United U capital, dot S States capital, then dot America A capital, and that's it. Then we have the word spoke. It's not neither proper noun nor anything which must be capitalized, so it will be written as it is, and at the end you will put a full stop. Now the third sentence is we are meeting Dr. Sami. Start of the sentence, we will start with capital letters, so W will be capital. We are meeting. Okay, here again abbreviation is there. For doctor we use this abbreviation D capital R small. So it will be written like this, DR dot, and Sami, proper name, proper noun it is. So S will be capital, and at the end we will put a full stop. Then the four sentences, I sat on a boat in Courtdown Harbor. Okay, again first person pronoun, it will be capitalized, and start of the sentence as well. So it will be written with capital I, this. I sat on a boat in. Okay, we are talking about a specific harbor here. Name is given. It's a proper harbor, proper name of a harbor. So Courtdown, C capital, and harbor, H will be also capitalized, and at the end you will put a full stop. Then the last sentence is Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Okay, Baghdad, we are talking about the capital city of Iraq. So, and start of the sentence as well. So B, Baghdad will be capitalized. Then is the capital of Iraq. Again, Iraq, I will be capital. And at the end, we will put a full stop. Now, exercise B and C. This was all about your exercise B and C. Hope you understood all about these exercises. Take care of yourselves. We'll meet in the next summary video. Allah Hafiz.